Hi there. So, the postman has just delivered my M-59 Yugoslav Army helmet, and I'm quite excited about this. The Yugoslav M-59 helmet is part of the German family of stalhelms, and the reason I say this is because after the Second World War, the Yugoslav army used the abundant M35 German helmets that were available, but then in the late 1950s they modified the helmets to save on money and also simply to distinguish themselves, to adopt a new pattern of helmet. However, the M59 was directly based on the M35 helmet, so it's one of the last ever made helmets based on the M35. So let's have a look at it. I bought this for £20 on eBay and with £4 P&P. So £24. So a good price in addition to my collection. So let me see what we've got here. Righty-ho, let's take away the box. So, right up from the outset, you can see the distinctive shape there. The brow, the visor, however you want to call it, and then you've got the flared skirt there. So if you compare that to an M35 helmet, all I've done is shortened the brow visor and shortened the flared skirt. There you go, there's for the rear, to the side, to the front. No ventilation holes, however. No ventilation holes, and just a basic leather style liner with chin strap. So that's the M59. It's quite solid. Yeah, it's made from good steel, just like the actual original stalhelms were made of. This is, yeah, it's got some good weight to it, and hence some good protection. But there you go. There is the M59 German family stalhelm. Extended family, will we say. Second cousin, twice removed. I don't know, you know. But I would say, if you collect militaria, and particularly German stalhelms, steel helmets, then this should be part of your collection. Everything from the Pickelhaube, the 1915 pattern Pickelhaube, 1916, 1918, 35, 40, 42, the M44, which is the East German M56, and this, Yugoslav M59. So basically, £25 off eBay right now from a UK seller. Okay, enjoy.